Namaste students. Exercise 6.2, fifth problem. In this figure, DE parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. The given is BE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. You have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. How? When we can tell that the two lines are parallel? If the sides are in same proportion means we can tell that the two lines are parallel. How we can tell that the two sides are in same proportion? You have to prove these two are equal. How we can prove that these two sides are in same proportion? We have to take the two triangles from the given. So first you have to identify which two triangle you have to take to prove the theorem. Okay. So the first given is DE parallel to OQ. DE parallel to OQ. So which triangle you have to take? This triangle you have to take. POQ. POQ. This is the first triangle. Okay. And then DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. This is the next triangle you have to take. From this two triangle we can conclude that the sides are in same proportion. After finding the sides are in same proportion, we can tell that EF is parallel to QR. Clear? So now first what you have to write? Given. First you have to write given. DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. This is given. What you have to prove? EF is parallel to QR. Proof. Now we can start your proof. Clear? So first triangle. In triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ by BPT theorem, we can conclude that PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. Mark this as 1. Next one. In triangle this side POR DF parallel to OR by BPT theorem, PF divided by FR, PD divided by DO. That is PF divided by FR, PD divided by DO. Mark this as equation 2. Okay. From 1 and 2, which one you can cancel? PD divided by DO and PD divided by DO, we can cancel it and we can conclude that PE divided by EQ and PF divided by FR. Clear? So I proved that the sides are in same proportion. I proved that the sides are in same proportion. So I can conclude that EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. by converse of BPT theorem. So first you have to write given, and to prove that, proof, identify the two triangle from the given question, and write by using the BPT theorem the sides are in same proportion, and from 1 and 2 we can prove that PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR, and since the sides are in same proportion, we can tell that EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. Thank you. We are going to see exercise 6.2, sixth problem. In this figure, A, B, C or points, A, B, C or points on OP, OQ, OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ. AB parallel to PQ. So which triangle we have to take first? POQ. POQ. This triangle. The identification of that triangles is very important. Okay. POQ. And next thing is AC parallel to AC parallel to PR. AC parallel to PR. So you have to take this triangle. Okay, POR. Show that BC parallel to QR. If we prove that the sides are in same proportion, that OB divided by BQ and OC divided by CR means we can tell that BC is parallel to QR. Clear? So this exercise fully we are going to use BPT theorem and the converse of BPT theorem. The main thing is you have to identify the two triangle. From that you have to prove the sides are in same proportion, and we can prove by using the converse of theorem BC is parallel to QR. Clear? So first you have to write given. A, B and C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. You have to prove that BC parallel to QR. Then proof. First triangle. In triangle POQ and AB parallel to PQ. AB parallel to BQ by BPT theorem, we can tell that OA divided by AP, OB divided by BQ. Clear? OA divided by AP and OB divided by BQ. Okay, mark this as 1. And next one. In triangle, this triangle POR. POR, AC parallel to PR by BPT theorem, OA divided by AP is equal to OC divided by CR. Mark this as 2. Clear? Next, from 1 and 2, which one we can cancel? From 1 and 2, OA divided by AP, OA divided by AP. We can cancel this 2. So remaining is OB divided by BQ, OC divided by CR. Therefore, the sides of this triangle in same ratio, OB divided by BQ, OC divided by CR. So we can conclude that since the sides are in same proportion, we can conclude that BC parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. Clear? So first you have to identify the two triangles and then prove that, write that sides are in same proportion, and from 1 and 2 cancel the thing, same thing, and write the remaining thing, OB divided by OQ is equal to OC divided by CR. Since the sides are in same proportion, we can tell that BC parallel to QR by using the converse of BPT theorem.